Thanks to our sponsor today, Best Buy, I'm going to show you a solution for people with antennas, and it's called Tablo. Tablo is a device that allows you to record and watch live TV with an antenna. And one of the best things about it is that it's absolutely subscription free, so there's no monthly charge on it. In the box, it comes with your main hub, a power cord, a Ethernet connection, wall mount screws, and a quick setup guide. And on the bottom of it, there are slots for mounting it on the wall, plus there's a reset button. And on the back of it, there's a power cord input, Ethernet input, a USB 2.0 connection, and an ATSC 1.0 TV tuner. Now, I showed you everything that it comes with, but what is Tablo TV and how does it work? Well, here's the thing. If you have multiple TVs in your home, you probably have an antenna on every single TV. With the Tablo TV, you can hook up one single TV antenna, and the great thing is it has a built-in DVR with 50 hours of record time, and it will support up to 8 terabyte hard drives, so you can get up to 1,000 hours of additional record time. The Tablo works on an application that's available on most smart TVs. And here's a list of the different devices that are compatible. So once you download the application, it can find the Tablo on your local network, and that allows you to watch your content in your home. Now, I want to note here is that this is only for local networks, so your recordings are not available whenever you leave your home network. To set it up is very easy. The best way is to use an Ethernet connection and connect it directly to your router so it gets full speed and capabilities. And just so you know, it does support 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. To get it set up, just go ahead and plug in your antenna. You also want to go ahead and plug in the power. And you need a smartphone like an Android or iPhone to be able to get the application so you can set it up to the network that the phone is on. Now, I want to show you some screens from the setup, as you can see right here, but basically there's a nice checklist where you hook everything up that I showed you earlier on the video, and you need to go ahead and scan for channels, do some firmware updates. And for me, it took about half an hour to get everything all updated and running. Now, keep in mind, they make two different models. The one I'm using on this video has 2 TV tuners, and they do make one with 4 TV tuners. And the difference is, if when you're watching live TV on multiple TVs, when you have more TV tuners, you don't have to rely on the DVR footage. This allows all those TVs to have a different channel playing on them with live content. Here's your home screen, and you can see what's trending. You can also see some of the top shows that are playing over the air or in the built-in streaming content. Under library, you can see all your latest recordings. You can even go down and see what you have scheduled to record. And it's categorized by TV shows, movies, sports, and it will show the available space that you have at the bottom. Once you click on live, it's going to show all the current shows that are playing right now. And one of the great features is that you can go up to 14 days in advance. So if you find a show that you like, you can literally just press on it. You can hit record show, and you have some options like the series information. You have record options where you can choose the time you want it to start or use defaults. And you can schedule a series recording where you can record all the shows, or you can record just the new shows that are airing. Under shows, it'll show what's playing right now, but one of the features I really like is the genre. So if you're in the mood to watch certain kind of content, you can go down here and you can choose exactly what you like at that time. They even have a channel list, and this shows all the available channels that you can get. And keep in mind, this is all based off your area and the streaming channels that are built right into it. You can also look for movies, and again, it's based off a genre or channel. And if you're a sports fan, you can see what's playing right now, or you can click on all sports, and this will show everything that's up and coming. The last thing I want to show you is the settings, and you can add multiple devices in your home. Now, it will show you the available memory, and you can go in here and check out some options, like you can turn the LED off and on. You can amplify the antenna. You can even set up your schedule options like don't record duplicates, which is a cool feature. Down here, it will show you your location, and you can update the guide right here at the bottom, but it will do it automatically. Under the surround sound pass-through, this is if you want to get the 5.1 audio, but in most cases, I would say just leave it on automatic, and then the TV will decide what audio is the best. Some other features that you'll really enjoy about the Tablo is that you can pause, rewind, and even play back live TV, so you'll never miss a moment. And you'll love the fact that you can use your mobile phone to set up all your DVR scheduling, as well as look at live TV while on the network. And you can even find the top story trending on your tablet. Now, as far as specs, the Tablo will support 5.1 surround sound, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi with MIMO, and it has 1 GB of RAM. For me, after using the Tablo, I think it's going to be a perfect solution for a lot of people. Now, my best experience was connecting it directly to the router, as I mentioned earlier, because Wi-Fi is not as dependable as we like, and in some cases, you could get some slow experience because of the Wi-Fi in your home, but you might want to consider updating if that happens. But other than that, I think it's a great experience. The fact that I can use it on a television, a tablet, as well as a smart device in my home, I think it's going to be a great solution for a lot of people out there. Now, I want to give a special thanks for Best Buy for sponsoring this video. Thank you for watching. I'm Tech Steve, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.